Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock halogen front turn signal bulbs on this 2016 GMC Canyon with our LED replacements. Installation is simple and straightforward. Let's get started. The installation for our passenger side front turn signal bulb is the exact same as the driver's side. However, you can see that there is a plastic trim piece that we've removed here. That is not necessary. You simply need to peel that piece back. We've removed it here just to make filming easier. Now we're going to access the front turn signal bulb, which is located just outside of the low beam. Turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, then pull it out from the housing. Disconnect our factory bulb and set it to the side. And then we'll plug in our Diode Dynamics XP80 LED upgrade. Now, these are polar sensitive, so we would recommend go ahead and test the function of your new turn signal bulb before you reinsert it back into the housing. Once you've confirmed that everything's working properly, you can put it back in the housing and turn it clockwise to secure it. And then we'll repeat all these same steps on the other side to finalize our installation. With our new LED front turn signal bulbs installed, we'll not only be much more visible to other drivers on the road, but we'll have a clean, modern look thanks to the instant on-off of those LEDs. Now, if you notice hyperblinking or hyperflashing, you can install resistors. If you're not sure how to install resistors, don't worry. The link to our resistor installation video is in the description below. For more information on our LED turn signal bulbs, click the link to our website in the description or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.